Question: in this electrochemical cell, the anode is made up of hydrogen electrode and cathode consists of metal M, and the reaction at the cathode is M3 plus ion changing into M plus, means M3 plus ion accepting 2 electrons and changing into M plus ions, aqueous solution of M plus ions. So aqueous solution of M3 plus ion plus 2 electron forming aqueous solution of M plus ions. This is the reaction at the cathode, and reaction at the anode is hydrogen losing 2 electrons and forming H plus ions. This is the reaction at the anode. And adding the reaction at the cathode and anode, the redox reaction is obtained, which is hydrogen plus M3 plus ion forming H plus ion and M plus ion. Now Ecell will be equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n, where n is the number of electrons, log M plus ion multiplied by concentration of H plus ion raised to the power 2 divided by M3 plus ions, concentration of M3 plus ions, and partial pressure of hydrogen. Now in the question, Ecell is given and ratio of the concentration of M plus ion to M3 plus ion is given as 10 to the power A, and you have to find out the value of A. Standard reduction potential of the metal is given as 0.2 volts. So Ecell is 0.1115 and E naught cell is 0.2 minus 0.059 by number of electrons involved is 2 log M plus ion, concentration of M plus ion divided by concentration of M3 plus ion. Now here the concentration of H plus ion is given as 1m. So square of the H plus ion concentration will be equal to 1. Partial pressure of hydrogen is given as 1 bar. So this will also be 1. So in the final equation, it will be E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by 2 log concentration of M plus divided by concentration of M3 plus ion. Now rearranging this equation, 0.059 by 2 log M plus by M3 plus is equal to 0.2 minus 0.1115, that is E naught cell minus E cell, which is equal to 0.0885. So log M plus by M3 plus will be 0.0885. This 2 goes to the right hand side, so 0.0885 multiplied by 2 and divided by 0.059, which is equal to 3. So log of concentration of M plus to M3 plus ion is 3. Therefore antilog 3 will be 1000. Antilog 3 is 1000. This is 1000. So antilog 3 will give the ratio of the concentration of M plus to M3 plus ion, which is equal to 1000, or this can also be written as 10 to the power 3. So value of A, 10 to the power A is equal to 10 to the power 3. So value of A is equal to 3.